Hey Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. It really does mean a lot to me. Today's video is going to be, I don't know how short it's going to be, but people seem to be asking me, hey, why are you so critical of academic medical centers? And the thing is that I'm not, and I didn't start out this way either, but granted, most of it's anecdotal, and not all academic medical centers should be treated the same. There are different there's very good academic medical centers. Matter of fact, most of the academic medical centers are good on some level. What I'm talking about is you, the individual, building your career in clinical research. From my experiences, as well as senior CRAs and clinical trial leaders, clinical trial managers, CTMs that I've talked to, they tell me that if someone's been at academia too long and they don't have any private industry experience, it's actually a liability. It like works against the candidate. Now we're in a job shortage, so it's probably less the case, but when I say get out of academia, it's a couple of reasons. Number one, the academic medical center don't necessarily, and again, not all of them, but they don't necessarily care about your career trajectory. They care about the institution, getting grants, and doing studies, and keeping their key opinion leaders happy, and sometimes keeping their sponsors happy. So what's left is you've got this kind of revolving door. There's a lot of turnover at academic medical centers. So you get this revolving door. You also have compartmentalized, hyper-specialized workers. So, for example, a clinical research coordinator at an academic medical center, the typical bad one that I'm thinking of, and the others can probably say similar things to me. The typical coordinator at one of these AMCs does not do the same number of tasks that a coordinator at a private small to medium sized site will do. They have like maybe 3 or 4 different people on the team doing what one CRC will do at a small to medium sized site. So you're not really becoming a generalist by working at an academic medical center. And one of the things about being a generalist is it offers you, the employee, not the company you work for, but the employee, protection against and a diversity of skill set. It offers you a diversity of skill set to where you can then go and get another job somewhere else. Now, I've had clinical trial managers, senior CRAs tell me they stay away from candidates whose resume is mostly academic medical research experience for these reasons. Another reason is it seems to be like a good amount of complacency, and maybe I've monitored the wrong teams or bad AMCs, but others are telling me the same thing, and I'm hearing the same theme from others. And there's good AMCs out there too, guys. It's just for YouTube, I kind of try to generalize, give people advice. One of my main themes is be a generalist and keep your career safe at all costs. And the way you do that is by continuing to gain more and more skills in your skill set. And AMCs tend to not be the most conducive organizations to helping an individual do this and gain this kind of experience. So that's my experiences. Hopefully I don't piss off too many people, but the goal of this channel is to help you and not to make everyone happy. If I'm wrong, let me know. I already know for a fact people are going to say, I work at a great AMC. That's not the case. Probably not. But the ones I've been to, the ones I've interacted with, the ones that I'm discussing with other senior level CRAs and clinical trial managers, they kind of say similar things. So again, if you really like AMCs, nothing wrong with being there. But for generalists, I think private industry is the way to go. Take care. Sorry for the background noise. Had to get this off my chest. Bye-bye.